wheeze, wheeze, wheeze. Noun. Definition: a sound of or as of a person wheezing. Example: I talk with a wheeze. Noun. Definition: an old joke, story, aphorism, act, or routine. Example: the old wheeze about the diner complaining about the fly in his soup. Intransitive verb. Definition: of a person breathe with a whistling or rattling sound in the chest, as a result of obstruction in the air passages. Example: the illness often leaves her wheezing.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.